There are many ways to gain weight, whether your goal is to look and feel better or just become a healthier person. The methods for gaining weight are the same for all people. Eating more food is by far the best first step you can take to gain weight. When you eat more calories than you burn, you will gain weight overall. If you are eating 3 meals a day already, then you should consider adding calorie-dense snacks between your meals. Calorie-dense snacks include nuts, seeds, peanut butter, almond butter, dried fruits, avocado, cheese, yogurt, and many more. Eating unhealthy can cause too many diseases to list, but a few are heart disease, stroke, cancer, and diabetes. If you are trying to gain weight, you will undoubtedly feel and look better doing it. If you are eating healthy, exercise can help you gain weight by adding muscle. Adding muscle will not only increase your weight, it will also give you strength. Muscle is much more dense than fat, so it is heavier, so you can gain lots of weight through exercising. Adding more muscle will not only make you weigh more, it will also make you stronger, confident, competent, and resistant. Consistency is by far the most important part to gaining weight. Being consistent with gaining weight is the best way to gain weight. It will be 1,000 times harder if you give up. Staying consistent with exercise and dieting will not only change your body, it will change your life. If you stay consistent with your caloric intake and your exercise, you may gain from 30 to 50 pounds within just 1 year.